Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan ngayong November 2024. Money, career, finances. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa tarot reading services kapag nag-book ka ngayong November 2024. Ayan, so information, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Capricorn. Let's see what's coming to you November 2024. Money, career, finances. You have the wolf. Ayan. So, itong wolf na to is about yung parang grit, lakas. Yung parang hungry for action, hungry for knowledge. You're going to awaken your wildness. Yes. And yung parang alam mo kung ano yung purpose mo. So if you know your purpose, it doesn't matter kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao sa'yo. Okay? You are going to be more focused on your purpose, on your destiny. Kasi alam mo na agad, no? You are aware ka sa iyong purpose in terms of your career or your business, kasi ramdam mo na you are meant to do great things. Kahit ano pa yan, let's say meron kang car wash na business, andun yung grit, yung power, yung sense of purpose mo, andun yung passion mo. So walang makakapigil sa'yo. No one can bring you down kasi you know your worth. Alam mo yung kakayanan mo. You also have the tree of life. So this is blessings. I see that you will receive a lot of blessings ngayong November in terms of money, in terms of your business. You will have a lot of clients, buyers, kung may business ka. And if you have a career, so merong growth sa career mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, merong increase ng sweldo. Yung iba naman, you might be promoted sa trabaho or may opportunity for you na magkaroon ng leadership role sa trabaho. Okay? So, there is definitely growth in your money. Pwede rin yung investment mo. Kung nag-invest ka in the past months, may kita mo yung paglaki ng iyong savings or pag-unlad ng investments mo. Okay? You also have wave. This is unity. Maaring you will be working with other people na merong parehong interest or parehong mission or vision pagdating sa trabaho, sa business mo, sa career, whatever you are pursuing right now. You may be more collaborative ngayong November, being open sa ideas rin ng ibang tao, and at the same time learning from them. Okay? So, this is also connection sa sarili mo. You will tap into your instinct, to your intuition. Parang guidance mo na rin yan eh. So, you are going to be divinely guided in your career, in your business, whatever you are going to pursue. You have the Nine of Pentacles. O, diba? Nine of Pentacles, stability ng finances. This is financial freedom. You don't have to worry about your needs ngayong November kasi it will be provided sa'yo. No? You have more than enough. Sapat. Higit pa sa sapat yung meron ka ngayon sa resources mo, sa finances mo. When it comes to your career, yung iba sa inyo, you are reaching a certain height in your career. Pwedeng you will be celebrated more sa trabaho mo. Meron kang recognition in terms of your business, stability, no? Merong stability yung negosyo mo. Maganda yung pasok ng income, ng sales ninyo. You have the Ten of Swords. So, some of you may experience stress Okay? Not gonna lie, Capricorn. This can be stressful for you, lalo na kung meron kang minamadali or meron kang binibigyan ng focus na parang you want to achieve a certain goal ngayong November. So, take care of yourself. Kasi minsan, masyado tayong nagfo-focus sa isang bagay na mayroon tayong nakakaligtaan na importante rin sa atin. Let's say your health, yung kalusugan mo. Okay? And be careful rin sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo ngayong November because I see some people na hinihintay kang mag-fail. Hinihintay ka na magkamali. Hinihintay ka na bumagsak. So, wag mong hayaan na mangyari yun sa'yo. Wag mong hayaan na may mga taong magkaroon ng access sa'yo just to let you down. Okay? Wow, you have the Death card, which is new beginnings, endings, new beginnings. Okay, what I'm seeing here for some of you Capricorn, there is a toxic situation in your career or in your business that you're going to let go of. Okay? Ito yung careful consideration na pwedeng, let's say sa business, alam mo na itong negosyo na to, nagpapastress lang sa'yo, or isang product or service na nagpapastress sa'yo, and you feel like it's time to let that go para may room ka for other opportunities in your business. Pwede rin pagdating sa trabaho, if there's someone that is stressing you out, or parang trabaho or isang responsibility sa trabaho na you feel na hindi mo dine-deserve, na parang hindi talaga yun para sa'yo, you're going to let go of that. Kasi magiging open ka sa transition, transformation, new beginnings. Page of Cups. I feel that you're going to be more creative ngayong November. So, for some of you, kung nandun kayo sa field na meron kayong boss or meron kayong ginagawang trabaho na routinary, paulit-ulit, na nagiging boring na sa inyo, maaring yun yung ile-let go nyo, kasi ngayon mas magtutuunan nyo ng pansin yung inyong talento, yung creative talent, skills ninyo, na yun naman yung magbibigay sa inyo ng abundance. Okay? You have the 5 of Pentacles. I feel like meron ditong challenge for you when it comes to your finances or situation, na kung saan parang magiging trigger point yan sa'yo na, teka, subukan ko na kaya tong idea ko na to, na mag-business or mag-resign and to try a new field or a new career path. Okay? So this will bring you stability in the future kung open ka sa changes. Kasi ang 5 is about changes. I think you are seeing a new opportunity elsewhere. Okay? Kumbaga, tinan mo, hindi siya nakatingin sa situation niya ngayon. Nakatingin siya sa iba. Okay? So, I feel like ito yung tinitingnan niya. Nakakita siya ng opportunity sa kanyang mga talent, sa kanyang ideas. Pwedeng nakikita niya rin yan sa ibang tao na, subukan ko kaya yun. Subukan ko kaya yung content creation or pagbe-business or itong idea ng isang tao na to. So, you are going within. You are learning from that. You are discovering your passion. You are discovering more about yourself, na hindi lang sa isang trabaho, career, or business umiikot yung buhay mo. Meron pang ibang opportunities for you. Yes, you are moving on. Yung iba sa inyo, lilipat ng trabaho, ng bahay, ng career path, change of career for some of you. Yes, you have the stamina, you have the strength para isakatuparan yung mga plano mo, yung mga goals mo. Importante lang that you keep your eye on the prize. Okay? Dahil yun yung mag-i-inspire sa'yo. Listen. People start to heal the moment they feel heard. So, I feel like, kung meron ka mga plans, meron ka mga gustong i-pursue, at sa tingin mo, magiging concern ang ibang tao sa'yo, let's say, people that are close to you, your friends, your family, share to them, no? Pwede ring humingi ka ng advice sa kanila, no? Be open to new ideas. Listen to their suggestions kasi maaring yun yung makatulong sa'yo in making that decision para to finally take action and make some changes. It's either in your career or business or yung mindset mo pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.